All right, for this week, we have our emphasis on the nervous system. We're going to be learning about the nervous system and how it works. So as you get to the splash page here for both K through 2 lessons and 3 through 5 lessons, there's going to be a link for the second slide. You click on that second slide link and that'll take you to the information about the nervous system. For the K through 2 kids, I'm just asking them to watch one of these videos. And if you just click on the arrow, that should start the video up, and then you can click on the little square to turn it into a full screen. And then I'm just asking for the young kids to share with me in an email or on Seesaw what you learned about the nervous system after you watched one of these videos. For the 3 through 5 students, there's going to be a number of other videos, and I'm asking them to watch 2 of them. And then there's a form to fill out, a Google form to fill out to tell me what they learned about the nervous system. If you go back to the main splash page, then we have our next learning target has our activities on it. So on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you're asked to choose some activities for our workout. And that is a link to the third slide. Okay. The younger kids, K through 2, asking that they just try one workout, whether it be a video or a non-video workout. For the older kids, 3 through 5 kids, asking that they try 2 workouts. Maybe a video workout and a non-video workout, or 2 video workouts, whatever you prefer. We have a number of different fitness activity videos here, and then we also have our February digital fitness calendar showing some different exercises. And then on this link, this goes to our Phi-Ed virtual hub. So there's different activities that are laid out here too, just different links. This is also where you can find the weekly lesson plans for my virtual stuff every week. Okay, so you can click on any of these different links here to give you some ideas of some different video workouts that you can try. Okay, and then if you go back to non-video workouts are on this side. Exercise cards, 15 ways to be active indoors, and a scavenger hunt of Baraboo. If you feel like taking a walk around Baraboo this week, this is a scavenger hunt of different places that you can go locate. Okay. And then if you go back to the splash page, the last learning target here talks about how we're still working on Black History Month and learning about our Black athletes. And for this week, we're focusing on Black athletes for Wisconsin sports. So there's different links here that are detailing some of our Black athlete legends for the different Wisconsin sports. For the K through 2 kids, just asking for you to identify an athlete that you really liked and share with me in an email or on Seesaw what you learned about that athlete. And for the 3 through 5 students, there is a Google form to fill out after you learn a little bit about our Black athletes for the state of Wisconsin. And that shares with me information that you learned. And then this week is also Random Acts of Kindness Week. So there's some suggestions of how you can work on your random acts of kindness, which would extend to not only this week, but just in life in general. Okay. As always, please make sure to fill out the virtual PE feedback form. Let me know how you did. And I hope you guys are staying warm. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're being good to your families, and we'll look forward to seeing you again. Take care.